fire going right now.
Back to the car a second ago.
Cuff her ass.
The media never released this body camera footage, or all of the heroic cruiser video. Only a few seconds from just 2 of the onboard cameras were ever shown when Kristen Watts drove through roadblocks on I-275 leading to the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Her silver BMW was clocked traveling at speeds of over 100 miles per hour. The entire northbound span of the bridge had been closed, as the annual Skyway 10K race had already commenced on the opposite side just a few miles away. A high-speed drunk driver is on a direct collision course with over 8,000 runners. The driver is ignoring all pursuing law enforcement agencies. The last line of defense between the BMW and a potential mass casualty incident is Trooper Schuck's Tahoe, which she lines up to block the driver's path.
Possible discrimination based on race. Context being given. I can't get out.
Okay?
I can't get out.
You okay?
I can't get out.
All right, come on. Take it easy. Come on, Toni.
Stop.
She's right here. You all right? Come on, sit her down. Get on the ground.
39, are you 48 on traffic on the highway? 54, this is a civilian and a trooper. Get safe, and we got a lot of units coming.
She's good.
I'm good.
No, she's good.
Who?
The
trooper you just hit.
Get on with.
I need to talk to you guys. If you're real, are you?
Where are you hurting?
Wasted. She's not hurting. She got a bruise on her arm, it looks like.
I need you to go to the hospital.
Yeah,
you need to
we
wait
got
for
an ambulance
paramedics. We're not
coming.
paramedics, okay? So you gotta relax. Listen, I had. Why'd you run the
EMS
barricades?
down here right now.
You had to do what?
I was well over 100. I couldn't keep
Oh,
up with
dude.
her. She was.
We got a fire going right now. We got a fire.
Fuck you. I know.
Get out of that fucking bag.
What are you doing in there? I swear to God, you fucking assholes. There's 1050 here. I know who you are.
Roll over. Roll over your stomach.
No. Get on your stomach right now.
Stomach.
I'm behind your back. I'm behind your back. He's got
Cuff her ass. Now fucking lay there. Shut the fuck up.
Let's get her away from this car. I don't know. You can stand up?
Stand up.
My ankle, my ankle! You didn't have a problem getting back to the car a second ago. Oh, her ankle's broken. Her ankle's broken. Stop. Careful. I promise.
A reason for what?
Yes. Okay.
For what? There's no reason for it.
Yeah, there is a reason.
Boot off.
You need to let us help you.
This is Kristen Watts. She has been released from the hospital where a blood draw revealed an alcohol level 3 times the legal limit. This footage shows the defendant being transported to jail on I-275 crossing the Skyway Bridge. State Trooper Schuck has recovered from her injuries. Ms. Watts was unable to stand trial due to mental incompetency. All charges were dropped. Leave a comment with your thoughts. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe below. Thanks for watching.
Okay.